Hey everyone, welcome back. No camping today. I was just thinking about it, and I haven't done a truck tour in a long time. So much has changed. This is my second rendition of my truck box build, my platform. I have an OBS awning on it. Yeah, so much has changed. So we're gonna do a truck tour, and I'll see you then. Welcome back everybody. So this is my 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. Pretty stock, nothing special about it. It has a 5.7 liter Hemi. The only thing I've done to it is I added some BFG KO2 tires. By far the best tire I've ever had. Winter, all-terrain, whatever, all season. They're great. Top of it, it has a Capit Bulldog topper. Basically makes up my camper shell in the back. On top of the Capit, I have a Rhino Rack, heavy duty track mounted roof rack. Thing's awesome. It was a real pain in the butt to install. I'm not too sure if I installed it properly, but it's great. On the side of that, I have my OVS 270 awning. You guys might have seen it. For those of you who haven't seen my channel, I'll add some B-roll here to see it deployed. My drawer. This is basically my outdoor kitchen. It pulls out. I have a cutting board. I have another drawer that keeps all my spices and sides or anything just extra that I may need on the road. I have propane tanks in my drawer. I have all my cookings, cast iron stuff, my Coleman grill, plates, you name it. It has everything in here for cooking. This thing turned out so good. The only thing I need to do is add drawer pullouts. That's on my list. In the back of my topper, I have my charging system. I have two. I think they're 150 amp hour lead acid batteries. They work great. Those are charged by my Renogy 60 amp DC to DC charger. It runs from the front of my truck, my alternator hooked up, all the way to here. I have two 60 amp breakers, one at the battery, just in case, and then I have one from the fuse pack, from the DC charger to my battery pack, and my bus bar. That all my lights inside here and on the outside, my area lights run into. And then I have my 700 watt pure sine wave Renogy inverter. I have a Renogy battery monitor. Thing is stellar. And then I have my controller for so I can turn on my inverter that powers up these two white plugs on the side. I have 4 plugs, 4 USB plugs, and 2 USB-C plugs. And then I have 2 switches for my area lights on the outside. And then I have my one switch that turns on the power to my 12 volt plugs. I don't like the fact that 12 volt plugs are always hot, so I like to have the control to turn them on and off. This is great. In the back, I have extra storage, tarp, tent pegs, mallet, you name it. Whatever you need extra, it's in there. I even have an air compressor in there. It's great. Also, inside my truck box, I have a 2-inch memory foam mattress. It does okay, and my goods. This is a -1 sleeping bag. This one gets swapped out. I have the -18. So winter's pretty much here. It snowed the other day. So yeah, I have a mattress. It comes out in 3 pieces. So that way I have control over the layout of my mattress. And then yeah, I sleep in here. Yeah, that is pretty much it. I know this is a short video. This is my second rendition. I've changed this truck multiple times since I bought it. I had a version 1. It was just a full flatbed. But this one right here, if you pull this out, you can slide it into these trucks. And I can basically make this one big bed if I ever want some extra room. Personally, I haven't used it yet. It works pretty good. But this winter, I may use it a little bit more. So yeah, I'm glad you guys showed up. This is my truck. I love it. I'm hoping in the new year I might get a rooftop tent. So this will turn into basically just like a hanging out area. I'm gonna redo it a little bit. There's a few extra things that I want to change on it so I can actually sit in the back. I can't really sit in the back, unfortunately. I can if I sit in here, but other than that, my head hits the roof. I'm a tall guy. I'm like 6'2", and like 240 pounds. So I'm not a small guy. I fit in here. It's a 5.5 foot box. It's great. So you know what? I'm gonna close it out here. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next adventure. Have a good one.